him, has he not? Right?
Oi! Really half alright.
Wait, introduce my new vlog.
Hey!
Introduce my birthday vlog.
Fucking happy birthday to you!
It's camping day, get up.
You're a camping day.
Time to get up. Get up.
You're a camping day.
Get up. Okay, Google, have you heard of the band Kiss?
I reckon I might, but I'm not sure.
She just sassed you. Right now we're loading up the cars because we're going to Inskip today. Woo!
Camping!
En route to Inskip Point. Just got to make a couple stops and it's about a 4-hour drive. Stop 1, $1 cheeseburger. Stop 2, boys are going to go to the diving shop, so we're going to walk dogs to the park. Stop 2 and 3 are done, and yeah, we should get there at about 3 o'clock now. Alright, just getting to our campground. Toby found. Jordan's just waiting there. Yeah, thanks mate. Yeah, nah, good imitation of me.
Yep.
Fucking nailed it.
Around there.
Well, let's see if we can get Geordie out or we're camping here, I guess. Well, I'll tell you what, it felt good not to be the person bogged this time. We planned to get here at 1. What's the time now? Like 4:30? 5 o'clock? 4. Couple stops, we made it. How good?
Celebration. No, we're gonna do it tonight.
Well, we set up camp.
Music's got me feeling of me.
It's not bad. I cracked the shits because my lights didn't work. I spent all day yesterday working on. And there's bugs everywhere, but it's sick. Who cares? It's good. Sun setting. Beach is there. It's gonna be great.
Brandon's pretty confident now on the full driving.
Sunset, couple of brews. Aston just rocked up out of nowhere. How good?
How's your belt, Brandon?
Felt really good.
Pretty sick.
Keep my pants up. So Aston, can you explain your cup drink situation?
Yeah, so the idea. Oh, wait. On video.
Yeah.
I don't know how to speak right now, but.
Bad to pay the rent now, to pay our share. Oh my god, that's fun. Okay, now go. You win! Stand this track!